Okay, I hope this is aimed right. See if you can see what I'm seeing. Driving my TT02.
47.6.
Brand new car to me. Built it up last week. Well, it was a Christmas present, so I built it over the last few weeks, but literally never run it before till tonight. Got carpet tires. The track helped me sauce and prep the tires.
16.3.
Kind of gave me some setup pointers. Just trying to be smooth. I'm not going to be fast for a while. I'm a good few seconds off the fast time on this for this platform, this car, but just trying to get consistent.
17.4.
That was pretty good. 14 seconds. I mean, good for me. Still not the fast lap, but.
15.1.
The owner drove my car, this exact car, a few minutes ago to 12 and some change, 12 point something, so that's pretty good. A little too much traction still, rolling a little bit in the corners. But this car is box stock. Stock motor, stock speed controller. Just only upgrades are tires for the carpet and some drive shafts, just for durability.
14.9.
My beautiful paint job's already getting beat up though. But hey, I expected that. That's why I went for a simple color. Woo. Ooh.
17.9.
Oh, ouch. Beep.
17.1. $16.3.